Cleaning means you're just wiping down the surface and getting rid of the dirt. Or a disinfectant kills your bacteria, germs, and viruses.
They are formulated to do very different things, either clean different surfaces, different soils.
For viruses like the coronavirus, places where you touch or grab are the best to disinfect.
It behaves like most other viruses in that it can be spread through high contact surfaces, things like doorknobs, light switches, faucet handles. You can take a look at the list of approved products on the EPA's website.
You'll see SC Johnson products as well as other products that are effective against this virus.